think it's gonna rain? I'm optimistic. I think it's gonna miss us.
Touched it absolutely down.
Yeah, cut the big one. God, didn't miss us. Ride smooth, maybe be a good day. 5.5 hours of sleep and a lot of eggs this morning, so we should be good. Brake pedal and clutch lever off the bike for this next one.
Does he know?
He'll know when I start doing it. So we made it back from North Carolina. Last race at Mount Morris. I think that race went really good. It was exciting. Did it turn out as how we wanted? No. Crashed on the start. It gave us a lot to work on though. I think coming back gave us a lot to think about. That's what's so exciting about racing, man, is you always can work to get better. And I love that part of racing. And that was a part I really enjoyed with car racing, with rally and off-road trucks. I always loved studying the machine, figuring out how to get better, how to become a better athlete, a better driver, a better racer. That's the funnest part of this for me, just to kind of sit back and get to analyze it. But anyway, last weekend, a lot of good takeaways. Back to work here at the Southern Training Facility. And you know, we helped build this track to lay it out so it'd be a good place for them to train and have some fun. Like I said, whenever I get to squeak in a little bit of riding, it's good for, I enjoy it. So I'll go ride. I got the new 23 450. We'll go do some laps before the pros get on the track. All right, here we go. Guys, like Hayden's riding a 450 today. The bikes, they run them completely stock, which I don't know if I'm a super fan of that because the suspension's really soft, blows through. So they're really riding them for technique, to work on technique, which is very smart for sure. Just to give it a look, because people like to hear how the bikes work and setup and this, that. So stock bikes are mainly for the average rider that just got to ride for fun. The bikes are set up nice and soft so they're comfortable. But when pros ride them, it's a different deal. But anyhow, it's definitely good practice, and this will make Hayden an all-around better rider.
rain? I'm optimistic. I think it's gonna miss us.
Cuts to absolutely down.
Yeah, cut to me going, God, it didn't miss us. I think it's gonna miss us.
Right, fun on the forfeit.
Yeah, it's easy.
I think if you had a full gate of people riding, it'd stay good.
Yeah.
But now it just gets so slick.
Yeah, it's gonna rain for a while, and then got a big storm coming in. Old guy, huh?
Better get out of
Talk
here.
like the weather. Got a storm coming. We know. We watch the news. You know. Like,
We really don't watch the news.
No, we don't. I actually don't. I was saying that to Mom the other day. I'm like, if you shut the news off and shut all your electronics off
Life
and
is
just
so
lived out in the country, rode your dirt bike and did all this stuff, you wouldn't even know what's going on. You would live
until
in
you get bombed.
You ain't even gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen, dude. It ain't gonna happen.
They're
It's
just
all
trying
just
to
fear.
scare you.
It's just all fear. Everything you've ever heard on the news, has it ever happened? As long as I've been alive, life's been fine. You know, as long as you don't go to the city, don't go in the cities, you're fine. Life's fine. Just shut your news off. Life is normal. I'm telling you, dude. I quit watching Fox and CNN years ago.